Normally on TikTok, when you view someone's profile, they are going to send that person a notification that you have viewed their profile. For example, if you go to your profile and click on the step icon, the foot icon at the top right corner, you're going to see all the people that have viewed your profile for the past 30 days. Now, if you want to view people's profile and you don't want TikTok to let them know that you have viewed their profile, this is how to do it. You have to click on the gear icon at the top right corner and disable viewer history. Then go back. Right now, viewer history is turned off. But the caveat here is that you won't know when someone view your profile. So anytime you go and view someone's profile on TikTok, TikTok is not going to alert them that you have viewed their profile. So that's how you view people's profile on TikTok without letting them know. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.